and transformed into a huge success. You won't believe the courage it took. Let's see how they flipped the script.
Not all the land are suitable for cocoa.
Okay. Which land is suitable?
Very good. Here, for instance, if you watch here, you can see this is muddy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so place two, you can see it's a gravel.
Okay.
All those two aspects are suitable for cocoa.
Okay. Gravel land and then muddy land. Okay.
But a land like sandy that they were used for building.
Okay.
Is out of cocoa.
Right.
So nowadays, they say Okada business is around here and there. You know, young boys, they like quick money.
Mm-hmm.
But the real money is in the farm.
I want you to repeat that. I want you to repeat that. The real money is in the farm.
In the farm.
Okay. In rural communities like Ankwendi, cocoa farming creates jobs for many people, from farmhands to haulers, keeping the local economy alive. So the cocoa drink or chocolate that you consume goes through a lot of processes before it gets on your table, and this is just one of them. I'm sitting with the workers of Nuner farms, and they are, how should I describe it? They are massaging the cocoa beans. I'll speak to a few of them about what they are doing. Pacho, good afternoon. It's saying.
Good afternoon, madam.
Your friend was saying.
Pacho, friend Richmond, Awuku.
Okay, so we are on Nuner farms, huh?
Pacho, why?
Kacho be or two say, then I woye. This year, then I woye.
This year, I mean, say, cocoa no obwa. It's about 5 or 6 to 7 days, you know. I said, then, Oberobo. Orobu is here, Obepusan is here, night, where ye winning in hiding. A free move and Sunday, where two now they are coffee.
And I would too now where you then put in a wood too.
Cocoa, no, say me for sanity, no. I have me for sanity into we know. May you win a female had it. Well, the hand not if by container now you will have both beer.
It's basically we so we seeds in a free.
Yeah, that's me winning in a few neck only the seeds.
Okay. And see, we seeds in the free man. If you are them, you
win if you are the next, you know, a bear basket. That's contain as a self near the coffee near for dry.
Okay, I see. Interesting. Madam, what's we Edwuma? Pacha Frosting.
Pacha Esther Nyakwe.
This is Esther. See, how many years now I Edwuma way?
5 years.
Why not show Edwuma way? Or not sure.
But
I'm about to Edwuma na Diana.
But
I'm heading.
Ibi asa no mbeti mo beti sabuano na mo bebo mo be kata so na mo ba be ni sei na mo asisa kofi ni nyina abrewu
wo pato your baba wo bo adwuma pa na me pacho nti wo de catching tiefo a omutie o say oba adwuma de important na wo ye
so ni ba adwuma Edwuma ye beba say be other say ye be tia. Le man telo. Na ye man so ye tita boa no. Ti eda ye wo be bo no so ye be boa won. Na wo ma bo na wo ma kata. Ti e de tama ye be posa ni say ni so a. Ye man no ye be boa na man. Ni ya be posa ade chen a na ya be tisa ko ye na ya ko ha.
Na me pacho ye adwuma wo be encourage a man and man or more na omu ni adwuma ye no adwuma wo be encouraging wo say omumbe join mo na mo ye
sa wo yo ba na sa wo ye be ma na wo ni adwuma di aye na sa obi ben wo na oye adwuma we di a o tule de wo ko bata no ho na mo ye
adwuma papa
ba che yo abegwa
ma me hu say won share dan yi won ye young woman so. But when we say a youth no, omodoso ewo krom, but omo ye adwuma we, adenti na omo ye sa adwuma we.
Bi no omo pe adwuma de.
Omo pe okada mo. Ti den na obeka kire nkofo sa.
Nti wo me omo to na omo nya adwuma bia no won force say o mani bebra. Omo nya adwuma de na won. Ye nya wa won sabeka.
Ye say adwuma we sika wo mpa. What's when you say we any year? Ubenya sikapayampa.
Oh, okay.
So you heard Sister Esther there. She's been working on this farm for a while and she says it's gainful employment. When we come back, we'll still be speaking to some of the workers here and hear their experiences as well as why they are encouraging others to join this venture. You don't want to miss it. We'll be right back.
At 17, my dad involved me in the family business. I noticed we had some irrigation issues, and I decided to not only help, but to innovate how to build a soil moisture center. My innovation won me a grant to scale up. Today, that innovation is growing into a thriving tech company, employing a diverse team and automating our family farm, transforming it into one of Ghana's leading pineapple suppliers. And now, Ghana's premier pineapple drink producer. Next, the world.
Take advantage of agribusiness through the Ghana Grows program. Ghana Grows, Hope Day.
You're welcome back to Ghana Grows Edwuma. We're here at Nuner Farms in the Eastern region. I'm your host, Araba Kums, and I'm speaking to some of the workers here. And Richmond, and Sister Esther say, Edwuma we eyepa. Now, edian fasona edia bro.
Oh, so far, no, Edwuma way for the past, with Margaret 6 years, so now a year, no.
Yeah.
I can say, yeah, to us, as a she dying, Edwuma, no, a boy and pampa, so.
Hey, what was I say? Is he dying? Wow. Congratulations. Into Edwuma, how many years now are you Edwuma way?
So far, with Margaret 5 years to cover 6 years.
5 to 6 years. No, with me to us, I say, with me is he dying.
Yeah, it's a determination.
It's determination, yes. Definitely. Into that, obe pese was set up wow farms now. Wow, manager will go farms ana.
Because a year for we know a boapa and a cuckoo so many experience in I will meet Marco for Mama Milan Nede, Musuma as at a plantation. The future I have put me in back.
Restaurant, why are there power? I mean, wait to me sit down. What was I say? And then I'll bet me a catch a man and member no more show, young men and women are more show on page Juma. Almost say a second need a Juma way more, then I'll be catch up.
Oh, you always the technical cool would be our boy because you see me to a catch was Ghana and I want to cook and I am stronger you Ghana. And I make you to say family sister where they so far as when some you know how when you about fine when you're immediate, yes, all netting, your father at the netting. Yeah, Kodo, and yet tell you a spoon one day, and when you find a DE, I'm catching you today.
You might say, okay, so when you experience a Juma way away, a then always share a Juma way.
Oh, so far with my way here. About saying the plantation, then I'll be planting with you know, and I say, where do you now? Harvest now, you know, send our bed for peso. Now send our bed, they'll bet you be a pruning. Now so be book. If you know, Odia could feel proud hatano, only out me hatame way. As I say, so in experience, I was saying them now, and then coconut 8 way, you shall catch an official idea, but was a also coconut different from the one that they had.
I see. Why are there medasipi? Munia more idea. There you have it. So there is truly money in the soil. So if you're a young person who thinks that there is no money in agriculture, you are wrong. You heard from them and a lot more others. Be inspired. This is still Ghana Grows Edwuma. We'll be right back.
The Springboard Roadshow Foundation invites you, our cherished viewers and listeners, to share your experiences. We would like to know how these programs, Springboard Your Virtual University, Springboard Hangout with Comfort Okran, and Ghana Grows Edwuma have influenced you so far. We would like to know the lessons you've learned, how you have applied the lessons to your lives, and the differences these programs have made in your life so far. So call us to participate in this survey. Kindly call 0308 255 775. We look forward to hearing from you. Together, let's keep building. Ghana Goes, Hope Day.
For the youth watching who are thinking of coming back to Ghana or leaving the city hustle to build a career in agribusiness, there is always an inspiration, but definitely not without a challenge.
My name is Enam Kojoyaka, and I am the founder of Nuner Farms. I live in Finland back in the day, and I was experimenting in making chocolate back then. But before then, I had a short working time at Ghana Cocoa Board, the cocoa marketing company, and I went back to school for my master's in Finland. And around that time, I was looking for something to do with my life. So I wanted to come back to Ghana and then make chocolate. And when I came to Ghana, my money wasn't enough to actually go into chocolate production. So I decided to buy lands and then start cocoa farming. When we started the second year of the farming, we needed to review the first year. So we got the officers to come and we checked and we realized that we have lost 85% of our crops during the first year. The first time we planted close to 5,000 trees of cocoa and we lost 85%. So you can imagine how big of a loss it was. After I lost the crops, I mean, it was a question of whether I should close down the farm venture or I shouldn't. But I got good encouragement from my friends telling me that, hey, if you lose, it doesn't mean that you should close down. Cocoa farming is a profitable venture. But you see, unlike other crops where you can actually harvest in 3 to 6 months, make money and come back, cocoa farming is one of those projects that you're not going to make money in the short term, not even in the medium term. It is profitable in the long term, but before you enter into it, maybe you shouldn't start like me. You should rather start from 1 acre and then build your way up. To advise any young person, be it man or woman who would like to go into farming, I'll say yes, it is very profitable. Okay, and if you look around nowadays, everybody is interested in farming. Gone are the days when if you say you are a farmer already, you are actually tagged as the poor person or the poor man's child or something. Today, it's actually a bragging right to go out there and say, hey, I'm a farmer. So for young people out there who want to go into farming, yes, it is profitable, but it is important that you look at it as an investment. And you want to make sure that you are getting the best possible advice to ensure that your investment is protected.
The story of Nuner Farms is proof that with dedication, even a huge loss can lead to a massive comeback. Now, if you are inspired and are interested in investing in the cocoa sectors, you can reach out to us via text on *718 *50# or call the Springboard call center on 0308 255 775. As always, Ghana Grows Edwuma is part of the Ghana Grows program, an initiative of Mastercard Foundation in partnership with Springboard Roadshow Foundation. I'm your host, Araba Kumson. Until next time, keep learning and most importantly, keep growing.